Na leo tuko na furaha sana. At least I've attended the committee and I'm confident with the select committee that is looking into the matter of the impeachment of the Honorable CCM. And also I'm happy to be today to have witnessed some of the evidence that have been tabled before the committee. And I'm confident enough that the committee is going to give the people of Machakos justice by ensuring that the rule of the law is upheld, and also ensuring that they see that the impeachment process goes through. Basically, today was the first day where there was being examination or tabling of evidence by the move of the motion. And tomorrow we shall have the accused, one CCM, Honorable CCM Mutanu, come, defend ourselves. And then after that, the committee will retreat. And then after it retreats, it will bring the motion, the report of the committee before the House. And then after it brings the report of the committee before the House, definitely now that will come as a motion where the House will be will be talking about the motion, whether to support it or not to support it. I want to assure you the evidence that has been tabled is evidence which is glaring, because if the CCM probably has failed to pay, it is evident that she has not paid honorable members. If the CCM has failed to do one thing or the other, it is evident it has not been done. If the CCM has authorized waivers of money, which without the assembly, it is evident it has not happened. So it is not about hearsays. It is evident. It is not allegation. It is the tabling of evidence. And I'm very confident enough from whatever I've heard. Even for me, I was shocked to see some of these things. If you find a CCM has authorized waivers, it turns out to be without the authorization of the account assembly. You find the CCM has allowed overemployment. You know, when we talk about overemployment, it will translate to less development. And that is why you find even as Machakos County Assembly, as Machakos county government, it has nothing to show. It's even on during the tour of the governor, you saw yesterday, she went to launch Mwala Water Cluster, which was launched many years ago. And she has gone, relaunched it. She went to Kalama the other day. She launched the sewer system, for which is being overseen by the national government. And I'm fearing very soon the governor is going to be lodging even the natural things like rain, hair, anything, because there is nothing to show. Why? Not because she doesn't want to serve, but because she has no money to give to the people.
Kwa county assembly ya Machakos tuko na wafanyikazi zaidi ya 150. Ukienda katika ofisi zetu zenye ziko kwa ward level, tuko na wafanyikazi, kila mheshimiwa hapa ako na wafanyikazi watatu ambao wanafanya kazi katika ward office. Hao ni wafanyikazi wengine takriban 200. Na ukiongezanisha hawa na pamoja na waheshimiwa, hizo ni familia zaidi ya 300 hawajapata mshahara miezi 3 yenye imeisha. Kwa hivyo mimi naomba tu governor na ofisi yake, nyinyi mkae chini mujiulize, ni haki kweli ambayo mnatetea wafanyikazi wa bunge la kaunti la Machakos? Na hiyo ikiwezekana muachilie pesa za bunge, at least wafanyikazi walipo. Lakini hiyo isikuwe kama msianze kusema hiyo ati ndio inafanya ati sisi tungakutue huyu waziri wako wa fedha kutoka kwa hiyo kiti yake. Tumekaa hapa, mmeenda juzi umepitisha the illegal land valuation roll, ambayo badala ya kucharge watu wetu 0.01% ya value ya property value, nyinyi mlienda kwa sababu mlileta kwa bunge ile wakati ulikuwa na msukosuko kidogo, ukapata ile miezi 6 kabla ya sisi tuidhinishe imeisha, nyinyi mkaenda mkapitisha mkagazette na mkaanza kucharge immediately.
Kwa hivyo sisi tutahakikisha pesa ya Machakos hakuna mahali inaenda, hata Ndururu, hata Sumuni, hakuna mahali inaenda, na tutahakikisha. Kwa hivyo mimi naamini the committee that is there, I have faith in that committee that it is going to give justice to the people of Machakos, because in a county government, competence is a key requirement. What we are seeing is lack of competence, and what we are seeing is blundered madharau. So where you're having members, and after 3 months counting, this month, the next month, 3 months, no payment. Do you know what it means? It means if a member had loans, they are going to accrue interest. What does that mean? It means if a member had issues, if a member had KRA remittance, if a member had all those things. So personally, I'm confident with the committee, which is there once again, and I believe they are going to give us justice.